What is up, everyone? I'm Ethan Warford, and welcome to today's video. It is currently 11 o'clock, and we are going to IHOP.
Nice sweater.
Thanks.
You know it's Florida.
We started the day off with a fire alarm. It wasn't real though, even though the title probably says it's real. Alright everyone, we are now in IHOP, and I have just ordered my food. I have lemonade tea or something. It is kinda good. Bam! Yum! We're done with IHOP now, so we are now going to the LMALL to get some clothes and stuff. There was an otter right there. It looks so cute. I love otters so much. Right there, see? Right there. So today is the solar eclipse, and my sister said that your phone can break with it. I don't really.
Say your phone will break.
That's what she said.
That's not what she said.
What did you just say, Dad? Did you just say you take that back? Yes, he did. Everyone here is taking pictures. Just looks like a regular sky. See what I'm talking about? You see? Your milkshake tastes really, really good. I just got a long sleeve shirt in the Adidas store and 2 pants. It was very cool. And now we're going back to the car. I want to see if this works. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Alright everyone, me and my father are going to the gym to get ripped. Okay everyone, I apologize for not posting a lot of content today. That was just cause I don't know, I just didn't really feel like it, you know? But I promise I'll post more tomorrow. But make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you did enjoy the video, this will be the end, and a goodbye.